Hi, thank you everybody for joining the Charcuterie classroom. I'm Kyla and I'm here to show you just a quick little thing that you can do as an appetizer. It's great during the summer months or in the spring. So it's prosciutto with cantaloupe. In Italian it's called prosciutto con melone and it is so good. Who would have thought that these two would pair so nicely? In Rome you actually see it a lot, even at home or even at the restaurants. It's very popular in central Italy. So my husband and I love to snack on this. It's great. And so I'm going to put a cute little board together real fast. It is dinner time and I'm going to have some hungry boys coming home soon. They went to the gym and so they'll be home in just a little bit. I have a roast with some rice going over there. And I'm just going to throw an appetizer so they can have this ready. So the cantaloupe I went ahead and cut ahead of time. So you just want to cut it in half, take the seeds out, and then go ahead and slice. I like to go thinner. This one's a little thick. Honestly, I prefer my husband to cut the cantaloupe because I am not very good with a knife. But today I did it. And so I just prepped it a little bit ago and we're just going to go around this board. I like the roundness of the board, so we're going to go ahead and just emphasize that. This is just something I'm doing, just something different and unique. It'd be great for like a swim party or something, something nice and refreshing. I'm just going to go ahead and kind of stack them over each other. I've seen them before with like pomegranates in the middle or strawberries so that you get some red. But again, I want to just do something for a quick appetizer for them when they get home. So I'm going to put the prosciutto in the middle. I have some that are already sliced up here as well. And this is what I normally do for them. I'm going to show you real fast. Let me grab the prosciutto. So I had my prosciutto in the fridge. It's better to wrap it when it's cold. So I just had it in the fridge. But normally, another great one is I just wrap it around there. You can put a little basil to it, and that's how I normally, so they can just grab and go. But I'm being a little fancy today, so I'm gonna do a little bit of both. If you have skewers, if you're going to a party, you can put a skewer right in here and put a little basil with the skewer. Some of my kids like the basil, some don't. So I'm not going to put it with all of them. So this is just a quick little thing. So that would be that. Even at the restaurant, a lot of times we'll do it for the employees and they absolutely love it. They love it together and they're always like, oh, I would have never thought of that, because you don't really see it in the US very often. But it's great and it's something fast that you can do, put together. But the prosciutto, I normally just wrap it around my fingers, but that one was a smaller piece, so I fold it in half and wrapped it a little tighter than normal. And then I'm going to go around and kind of make a cuter rose. Let's see, kind of go a little looser on this side. Wrap it up. There we go. Prosciutto is the only one that I just kind of pull and let it go. This one's a thin prosciutto, which is nice, but it is a little wider than normal. Prosciutto you're gonna get different lengths when you go and get it because it is the back side of a pig. So it kind of goes this way and then goes out and then comes back. So when you first start the prosciutto, the very beginning is smaller. The middle part is going to be like your thicker, your widest part, and then your end is going to be your smallest. And that actually, the end part has a little bit of a gamier taste to it. I'm not a big fan of the end part. I like the beginning and mostly the middle. So yeah, I'm just wrapping this so they can come, they can grab one prosciutto and one of these together. It just makes a cute little presentation. Again, it doesn't necessarily have to be fancy for my boys, but sometimes I like to be fancy and just show you guys different ways, different ideas. Again, it's so refreshing, it's nice, and super quick. The hardest part probably is cutting the cantaloupe. You'll see this at most restaurants during the summer. It's very seasonal, of course. In Italy, they're very particular about their fruits and veggies. They're very seasonal, so you only see them at certain times of the year. In the US, you can find cantaloupe pretty much any time of the year because we get them from different places. So yeah, there we go. And then I'm gonna go ahead and take some more. Again, it's just like a loose, going loose around my fingers. And then I'm gonna put a little bit more out. Yeah, so we hope you guys like this this one. Check out our other videos as well. We have some other ones that we have posted. Back to school is coming up, so we just posted a great one, a little lunch with the bed-go box. Something easy and quick and healthy for the kids. We just posted that one. And so yeah, go ahead and make sure you subscribe and like so you can get all of our videos. You can follow us on Instagram and Facebook as well. So I'm gonna go out a little bit further. My kids love prosciutto, so I'm gonna go ahead and use all of this right in here. I saved a few pieces over here for Sophia without prosciutto. Sophia, the youngest of them, she is a salami eater. So she will eat prosciutto once in a while, but she loves salami. So all the kids are a little bit different, as I'm sure you are aware. All right, so here we go. And now we're just going to throw some basil right here, some little decoration right around. For those that like basil, they can grab a little basil stick with it. And that's it. So here is our prosciutto con malone. Thank y'all. Check us out again.